Yo, what's going on, guys? Pablo's here, and we're here with
Xavier.
What do you got today?
I got some ice cream and some dessert from here.
I got some Romeo and Juliet cheesecake. Ready?
Yeah,
Let's try it.
let's try.
Mine has caramel.
It's good.
Yeah, it kind of tastes like creme brulee. How do you like your ice cream?
Good.
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 Is it the best dessert you've had?
Pretty good dessert, yeah.
Is it better than fogo de chao?
I like it better for what it's out.
Yeah, same. What do you rate it?
A 10 out of 10 so far.
10 out of 10?
I love it.
Yeah, same.
No, I have to give it a 9.9 out of 10. I can't give out 10 out of 10 for everything. That's what one of my friends told me.
Yeah,
So 9.9, I guess.
yeah. And again, we would like to thank you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.